Welcome to Wandering Mind! In the Space Dome.
Actually, I enjoyed almost everything because it helped me to willingly learn about science. When we visited the different planets and we saw the evolution of life, it was really fun. And yes, it was a nice experience. I hope this happens again.
My favorite experience about the science exhibit is that I get to feel the most mind-blowing, the most interesting, and the most very mind-blowing science exhibit in the Constellation College!
Thank you po!
Mayroong 3 stations ang Wandering Minds. Pero, isa sa mga pinakang nag-enjoy ang mga estudyante ay sa dome na ito, na idiniho dito mismo sa loob ng gymnasium, kung saan napanood ang astronomical presentation gaya ng Big Bang Theory, space objects, constellations, at iba pa.
Gamit ang 3D Space Dome projector, tila dadalhin sa outer space ang mga nanonood, kaya naman hindi lang estudyante ang nag-enjoy, kundi pati na rin ang mga guro. Sa Station 2, tampok ang tungkol sa climate change, artificial intelligence, production of energy gamit ang solar panel, bicycle at iba pa. Habang sa Station 3 naman, tinalakay ang tungkol sa planet Mars. Ayon kasi sa research ng NASA, may posibilidad na matirhan ang nasabing planeta. Ipinaklayunin ng event na ito na mas matuto ang mga estudyante sa science sa paraang mag-e-enjoy sila.
Kids, did you enjoy Wandering Minds?